Zoisha. Okay. Hey guys. Whoa. Okay, wait. Whoa, it's super bright. But anyways, guys, so weird because I have not vlogged in so long. It is June 2nd. Okay. And I'm wearing red because I'm repping the Raptors. Yes, the Raptors made the playoffs, championships. Okay. But all I know is it's game 2. And my cousin is hosting something at his house for the game or whatever, so they invited me over, so I'm heading over there right now. They're calling me an Uber because his girl was supposed to come and pick me up on her way home from work, but she forgot because she's drunk. So yeah, that's where I'm going right now. I decided, let me see if I get any footage and just vlog, you know. There's been people that have been requesting that I vlog when I'm back in Canada as well. So as Simply Sin would say, vlog when I want, vlog when I go get. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go watch the Raptors. This is really big in Toronto right now, like really, really huge in Toronto right now. So, you know, you gotta rep where you live and stuff like that, as much as I love Jamaica, Canada with it. So yeah. So that's what we're doing. I just told my cousin to get me the Uber, so I'm just waiting for them to let me know when I need to go downstairs. I'm gonna go put some lotion on my legs because my legs need some Ooh, Jesus. Wait, hold on 1 second. Because it's not supposed to look like that. Okay, Goody, come out and all these things. Yes, talk to me nice. But as I was saying, I'm gonna go put some lotion on my legs and go find our shoes for put on and get ready and go. So I will catch you guys on my way to the game. Okay, I mean, yeah, whatever. Yeah, bye. This is the score right now.
Livingston rises up.
Yes!
Baca claims a rebound. This is the response I'm talking
Dream
about.
team!
Right? Stutter step, crossover, drop.
Members are here, like this lady here. She doesn't answer my messages or whatever. My cousin, he's single again. That is not a cute image. Let's not focus on that image. And then we got Nai. Say hi. Say hi, now. Good girl. And we got some food and shiznit, you know what I'm saying?
He's got a temper. Come on! Yes!
There's TVs everywhere in this house.
Yes! Come on!
It's so funny because I was gonna say she needs to put a gym in, and boom, she has a whole. They have a whole gym in their basement. Okay, a whole gym. Hey, hi, Leon. Okay.
Possession time. Curry only got cheers.
Tell Daddy, Uncle Paulie wants him here. It's great.
With Van Fleet, Jack
Go.
starting them. And that continues here. With Van Fleet, stellar defense. Thompson's got 18. Kawhi sends it now to Fred. Raptors lead by 8. Shot clock down. Fred attacking. Soft
These guys are making it look so easy.
Listen to this one over here.
Oh my gosh. These guys are treating Golden State like babies. What is happening? What is happening?
Toronto leads by 8.
She's not into sports.
Thompson up top on Leonard. Gasol now comes up to set a screen. Slips it.
Hi.
Now sets it. Batted away. Curry scoops it up. And off of a turnover.
Oh, look at Super Fan, you guys. Look at him. He's so famous now. So cool.
And the Raptors don't get a shot off.
Halftime.
59-54. The Toronto Raptors lead.
Woohoo! Let's go, Raptors. Let's go. Okay, guys, bye. Oh my god. I can't watch this anymore, you guys. I'm sorry. Take it, yo. Holy shiznit. Yo, we're down 3, we're down 5, then we're 10. Like, I can't manage. Shay, is there still more donuts?
Apollo.
What is that?
Say yo, Apollo.
Instead of coming up on
Yeah. That's how we feel. That's exactly how we feel. Yes, Brenna, that's how we feel. The 6, okay?
Get to 2 and 3.
Oh my God! 5! 5! 5!
You get to put him on your team. That's what you get to put him on your team.
But they have a 2.
I wouldn't want to get on my team.
1 away to go.
Because that always happens.
34 points, Jack.
You always get technical.
14 rebounds.
Oh my God.
Green, green.
Fact that these guys have a theater. Like, it's lit.
When we come back, Cabby Nick Stauskas will weigh in on the Raptors
Lit.
game 2 loss. You're watching SportsCenter with Jay and Dan, presented by Tim Hortons on TSN.
It's lit, fam. Like, it's lit. Like, I want one in my house. So as you guys would have seen, the Raptors did not win. We lost. Game 2. So, yeah, anyways, it's almost midnight. Ready for Gamiad. And yeah, because I bitches got work in the morning. I'm gonna for sleep. Crunchy. Are the best chips ever.
Okay, cousins. I'll see you later.
Bye. I brought your bottle for you. Your water bottle. Huh? No, I'm gonna go with Darren. So I just got home. It is now 1:16 in the morning and I gotta be at work for 8 o'clock. So a girl is going to her bed. I'm not sure if I ended off the vlog before, so I just decided to come on here and close things off. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Sorry if there was a whole bunch of screaming and cussing and all of that type of stuff, but it's really serious time in the 6 right now. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to my bed. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time.